Hello everyone, welcome to the Advanced English Center, and this is the episode number 11 of learning new 5 sentences every day. And you know the drill that I'm going to teach you 5 new sentences with the 5 new vocabularies. And before I start my session, there is one important message I want to share with you, and I want your 100% attention because this is a very important thing that I want to share with you. So when you are asked a very specific topic, what we notice that you are going to fumble, or you repeat the same sentences time and again, and aside from this, like, you don't have any information regarding this topic. So what we notice that when somebody is going to listen to you, he's automatically get bored. I mean, he automatically gets bored listening to your conversation. So like, most of the people don't like your speaking at all. So that's the very common problem that we all have, but we are not very careful about it, and I think it's a great problem. So for this reason, I have come up with this idea, and I think this is going to help you really a lot if you follow my way of speaking, if you follow what I say, if you follow the method that I follow, because you will never find anywhere that somebody is going to teach you like that way. Okay, so now I think you understand the value of my lesson. So now we should get focused on our lesson. Let's begin. Okay, look at the first sentence. The first sentence is, I was awestruck reading on the past and present of Omen. I was awestruck reading on the past and present Omen. Well, awestruck, this is a very new word, and I think most of you do not know about it. So at first, let me spell it for you. Awestruck, how we pronounce it, it's called awestruck. Let me spell it for you now. A-W-E-S-T-R-U-C-K. Awestruck. Awestruck means feeling very impressed by something. Feeling very impressed by something. So I was awestruck reading on the past and present of Omen. So if you think that it is very complicated, then let me give you more easy example. I think that will definitely make you clear about this word. Suppose I was awestruck seeing the captaincy of Mashrafi bin Murtuza. I think you know this guy very well. Or I was awestruck observing the Qatar of Mustafizur Rahman. I think you are also familiar with this person. So now, actually, I think these are the sentences that I right now articulate, like stuck in your brain forever. Okay, go for the second one. The second one is, he is a petty terrorist. He is a petty terrorist. I think most of you are familiar with this word. So if you don't, let me actually spell it for you at first. P-E-T-T-Y, petty. He is a petty terrorist. Means small and unimportant or minor. He is a petty terrorist. Is small and unimportant or minor. He is a petty terrorist. So I think now it is also clear to you. Go for the third one. Third one is, there was a pang in my heart. There was a pang in my heart, a certain strong feeling of physical and emotional pain. Like, pang means a certain strong feeling of physical and emotional pain. So let me tell you that there was a pang in my heart for him or for her. There is a pang in my heart for him or her. Okay, so now I think it is also clear to you. Go for the fourth one. The fourth one is, continuous practice will bolster up your fluency. Continuous practice will bolster up your fluency. Continuous practice will bolster up your fluency. Bolster, this is the new word that you do not know. So bolster, let me spell it for you at first. B-O-L-S-T-R. Bolster up, to improve something or make it stronger. Bolster up means to improve something or make it stronger. Bolster up means to improve something or make it stronger. So continuous practice will bolster up your fluency. I think that is absolutely true, that continuous practice will bolster up your fluency. Or I think you expect me to give you one more example. Okay, the fall of interest rates of bank will definitely bolster up our economy. I think now you get the idea. Go for the last one. This is the last one. Okay, so the last one is, academic curriculum is archaic. academic curriculum is archaic. Academic curriculum is archaic. So archaic, this is the new to you. Like at first, let me spell it for you. A-R-C-H-A-I-C-K. Archaic. A-R-C-H-A-I-C. Archaic. Archaic means old and no longer used. Archaic means old and no longer used. Archaic means old and no longer used, like such as obsolete, outdated, backdated. So academic curriculum is archaic. Like our education system is archaic. I think you strongly believe with that. So these are the 5 sentences that I have taught you today, and I think you have learned it very well. And I'm going to actually rephrase, I'm going to read it for you one more time so that it could be crystal clear to you. Okay? So I was awestruck reading on the past and present of Oman. Awestruck means feeling very impressed by something. He is a petty terrorist, small and unimportant or minor. There was a pang in my heart, a sudden strong feeling of physical and emotional pain. Continuous practice will bolster up your fluency to improve something or make it stronger. Academic curriculum is archaic, old and no longer used. So these are the 5 sentences that I've taught you, and if you like it, please share and subscribe it, and and follow my latest videos. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.